Meaning of destitution.
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 Destitution. Destitution refers to a state of extreme poverty and deprivation, where an individual or a community lacks basic necessities such as food, shelter, and clothing. It is characterized by a severe lack of resources and a struggle for survival. People who are destitute often face significant challenges in meeting their daily needs, which can lead to serious health problems and malnutrition. The result of destitution can be devastating, as it can lead to social exclusion, marginalization, and a loss of dignity. Urgent interventions such as providing aid, education, and opportunities for employment may be necessary to help lift individuals and communities out of destitution.